Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in Slack Huddle. So first, let's just go into a call right here. So click on this and let's just start a huddle. So this will pop up, and I'm just gonna make open a huddle window right here, but just by clicking on this one. So if you want to blur your background, just need to click on the More Actions button, which has the settings logo, and just scroll down till you see the video background. And once you're there, just click on it, and you could pick from various options right here. You can make it look like a living room. So just wait for it to load. As you can see, we're now on the living room, or you could just blur your background right here. As you can see, there's many options that you could pick from. It could also be like an office right here. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you at the next one.